What's up you all, welcome back to another video. Today we are heading towards a really beautiful place. Actually we are already present there and we are taking you as well. We are here today at the Seacliff Bridge. So we can see here beautiful sceneries, impressive views to take photos and videos and to enjoy.
So guys, आज की हमारी ट्रैवल बकेट लिस्ट के अंदर है सी क्लिफ ब्रिज जो कि वुलंगोंग और सिडनी के दरमियान में है। और उसके बाद जो नेक्स्ट हमारी ट्रैवल बकेट लिस्ट है उसके अंदर हम लोग जाएंगे यहाँ से कयामा ब्लो होल। सो सिडनी में हम लोग पिछले 10 साल से रह रहे हैं बट हमें मौका नहीं मिल पाया है या फिर दुनिया के और दूसरे झमेलों में चक्करों में फंसे हुए थे, हम लोग कभी कयामा नहीं जा सके। मगर आज हम लोग जरूर जा रहे हैं और आप लोगों को भी लेके चलते हैं, तो चलो।
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right.
This place is so beautiful and attractive, guys. Everyone has a bucket list in life, and as you can see that New Year is coming, 2022 is there, almost there. So if you have a New Year resolution to travel, where are you gonna do, where are you gonna go, different countries or different places in your own country, let us know in the comments down below. We are eager to know about this. And now let's enjoy the beautiful moments again.
Can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do.
So guys, Australia is one of the most beautiful country in the world. अगर आप लोग ऑस्ट्रेलिया में रहते हो हमारी तरह और अभी तक घूमना फिरना शुरू नहीं किया है तो फटाफट से घूमना फिरना शुरू कर दो और नई जो है वो ट्रैवल डेस्टिनेशंस एक्सप्लोर करो, एंजॉय करो, मजे करो।
In Australia, safety is the most important, the priority thing for government, for the people here. So here we can see that the bridge has very good safety barriers out there on the right side and on the left side. So for the children especially and for the kids, it's really safe and you can come with the family and enjoy as well. And you can walk around and take your photos without any hassle that wherever kids are going.
You and I, the future is bright.
So as you can see the cyclists here and there going on around us, and they always are very thankful. They are so nice people, so they always say thanks to us. It's really good to see all the Australian culture going on here, and whenever we want to give them the space and way to go, they always be very kind as well.
So guys, ऑस्ट्रेलिया में जो है वो वर्ल्ड के फेमस और मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल बीचेस इन द वर्ल्ड हैं। अगर आप लोग ने अभी तक जो है वो बीच यानी तमाम बीचेस को एक्सप्लोर नहीं किया है तो फटाफट से करो, देखो, सर्च करो। जहाँ पे भी आप जिस सिटी में भी रहते हो वहाँ पे आपको हर तरह हर जगह चारों तरफ जो है वो ब्यूटीफुल बीचेस मिलेंगे और अगर आप हमारी तरह बीच लवर हो तो एंजॉय जरूर करोगे।
And those who live in Canberra or the regional areas which does not have coastal areas as well, they come here, they enjoy here, live their beach life in summer especially. From October until the January or February, you can enjoy summer here. They are very good ones to come. It was such a mesmerizing, beautiful place. Now, where are we leaving for?
We are leaving for Kayama. It is 1 hour drive from Seacliff Bridge to Kayama.
Exactly. So we are leaving there, and we'll see then how the traffic is going to be like. But then we will go and enjoy over there. Let's go.
Let's go.
Although this place is really beautiful, but one thing that you must know, and that's not a very big hassle also, is that you must bring your own water bottle or food, whichever you want to bring, because here there are no cafes. We haven't seen any food items going on here. There are no cafes as well, so you won't find any coffee or drink anymore. So if you really want to be hydrated, it's important in summer to have a bottle of water just like I'm having right now.
Cause I just wanna see the light. I wanna be weightless.
Alright guys, finally we have arrived at Kayama Blowhole. Wow! The blowhole is just right in front of us.
Just blow.
Camera couldn't capture it sometimes because it comes like every 5 minutes or so. It's really slow, but at the same time, you can enjoy the beauty of this town. This town has so much to offer. We will show you in a bit, but first have a look at Blowhole.
I don't want to, but I'm gonna try. Once you left me, yeah, let a little bit inside. You know, maybe things are gonna be alright. 'Cause I just wanna see the light.
Alright guys, so we are right now at the information center in Kayama Blowhole. Like right now I can see that in the information center you have to wear the mask if you're coming these days, if you are going inside, and you can find souvenirs, different information book, what you can do in this town, because there's so much to do in this town, so you can explore more and more. And if you really want to know more about this town, you can take the books as well. It's just free of cost, I can see there.
So यहाँ पे ब्यूटीफुल कैफे और रेस्टोरेंट्स के साथ साथ फ्री टॉयलेट्स भी हैं, तो अगर आप लोग क्लीन टॉयलेट्स हैं, फ्री तो ऑब्वियसली हर जगह पे होते हैं.
Getting too restless to be in this dusty town. I've heard of this place where people forget and you get another try.
Look at this, guys. This is an original huge ship anchor. Anchor. Why did I say anchor?
We will stare at views we can't believe we found. We'll feel alive. You're still my favorite queen of the night, my friend. Let's drive off again. Let's drive off again. Let us where we fall. Once know what's right, my friend. Let's drive through the night.
And this is the place, the Blowhole, where people says that the sea makes sound. It's really true, because whenever we hear the Blowhole has like water jumping out, it makes a very weird like thunder sound. Like it feels so amazing. It's very different, unique. So you should definitely come and visit.
Amazing, absolutely amazing.
And Australia is all about coastlines, water, waves, beaches.
So आप लोग पता नहीं बिलीव करोगे या नहीं करोगे, मगर मेरे साथ पता नहीं ऐसा होता है, और बहुत दफ़ा ऐसा हो चुका है कि जो मैं जहाँ जिस जगह जाता हूँ या पता नहीं कोई काम ऐसा कर रहा होता हूँ, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मैंने जो है वो ये पहले चीज़ देखी हुई है या ये काम ऐसा हो चुका है. एग्जैक्टली अभी ऐसे ही हुआ है कि सैफ अभी ग्लासेस पहन रहा था और जो येलो कलर की टॉप पहनी हुई ये बंदी है, लेडी है अभी ये वाली, ये यहाँ पे अभी एग्जैक्टली इसी जगह से गुजर रही थी. आई डोंट नो, मैंने ये शायद 1 हफ्ते पहले देखा हो, 2 हफ्ते पहले देखा हो,
आया था डेजावू आया
बट
था.
मैंने 100% श्योर कि मैंने ये देखा था. तो कमेंट्स में ज़रूर बताना प्लीज़ कि आप लोगों के साथ ऐसा होता है या नहीं होता है.
Ever I look, I'm blinded by the light.
Right in front of the Blowhole, you can see the lighthouse here. This is also one of the very attractive places here. People come here to see this lighthouse, and again, it's very memorable. It was built in 1800 something. The history was over there, but yeah, this is definitely memorable for Aussies.
And one more thing, as you can see, we don't have any glasses, so our children use our glasses. So
make sure that your children buys their own as well. However, when we buy for them, they do not really care about them, but now they're caring for our glasses.
because they are jealous.
I won't look back or close my eyes. Let the past be down by night. So let go.
As you can see, guys, there is a risk warning because of the rocks. So whenever you walk in this Blowhole, please be careful.
The lookouts that we are showing you right now is very safe for kids as well, as if you are very conscious about walking on the stones or something, then you don't have to worry, because they are safe. They are not really bad. You just have to be careful of the water, otherwise you won't slip.
Hello.
Look at these. The kids are all there.
Your life has just begun. We need to live and learn. You know the time has come for breaking some new ground. I'll let you try.
So guys, मैंने ये जो है वो शाहरुख खान की फिल्म में देखा था कि एक ब्लैक सैंड बीच है आइसलैंड के अंदर, वहाँ पे जाके उन्होंने शूटिंग की थी. उसके बाद मैंने ये चीज़ रवीश व्लॉग के अंदर देखी. हम लोग उनको फॉलो करते हैं कनाडा में, तो आप लोग बहुत अच्छा व्लॉग बनाते हैं. अगर हमारे का भी व्लॉग देखें, तो अगर आप लोगों का भी ऑस्ट्रेलिया आना हुआ तो हम आपको यहाँ पे लेकर आएंगे. ये ब्लैक रॉक साइट सीइंग.
Here we go. We have the fresh lunch ready, fish baskets, and Ayan's going to enjoy as well, isn't it?
hot chips.
hot chips, and we've got prawn cutlets, some fish cocktails, because this is how beach life is like. You always should have seafood, and yeah, that's what we also always want as well. So let's just start eating something.
तो क्यामा में अभी तक का हमारा ओवरऑल एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अच्छा रहा है। यहाँ पे खाने पीने की भी चीज़ें आपको काफ़ी मिल जाती हैं। अगर आप हलाल प्रेफर करते हैं तो आप लोग फ़िश एंड चिप्स वगैरह खा सकते हैं। $15-20 के अंदर इजी आप जो है वो 3 से 4 लोगों का मील आराम से खा सकते हैं। इज़ नॉट अ बिग डील। आपको बहुत ज़्यादा चीज़ें मंगवाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि जब ट्रैवलिंग में होते हैं तो आप कम ही खाओ, ज़्यादा बेहतर हो।